Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow key, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can find location. Then you have to grant access to location info to camera, and now you can switch this feature all you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.